We do have to deal with right now. It is a little cooler out there. We are at 42 degrees. Some rain and snow did make its way through Helena. Not currently snowing at our station right now, but it was just a few minutes ago. Mostly cloudy skies. Great Falls, a much nicer afternoon. Partly cloudy, 48 degrees, 16-mile-an-hour wind out of the west. So here's a look at the temperatures across the state right now. Most of us into the 40s, some 30s out in western Montana. Butte has been a cold spot in the state today, so if you were out there for the parade, I hope you brought your jackets because it is just a few degrees above freezing at every point today. Some 50s out into eastern Montana as well. We'll throw on the wind because it has been a little breezy, especially out into the plains of north central Montana, and we'll throw the gusts up on there. It was a little gustier earlier. We had some 30-mile-an-hour gusts in Great Falls, Cut Bank up into Havre as well. Helena, 25-mile-an-hour gusts reported in the last 15 minutes. So here's the radar right now. There's a lot of activity to the west of Helena, so we'll take a look at that. McDonald Pass, some heavier snow coming into the area. Deer Lodge, Helmville, even that little shower that made its way through Helena, now into the Big Belts. Montana City saw some snow making its way towards Townsend as well. We'll see several rounds of these showers come in throughout the nighttime hours. This atmospheric river, it looks like it's not too active right now, but it will pick up steam once again. Just some showers to the south and east of Fort Smith and some snow up near Red Lodge. So here's the rest of the United States this afternoon, and Montana, one of the more active spots. It's a nice little break for the southeast that was dealing with all those tornadoes over the weekend, and you can see some more moisture moving in on that atmospheric river. Will reach Montana by tonight. So at least that will stay south of I-90, south of I-94. Some winter weather advisories, some winter storm warnings for the higher terrain to the south of Helena. Even the Big Belt Mountains have a winter weather advisory right now for those scattered snow showers. So by about midnight tonight, that's when we'll start to see activity decrease around the Helena area, but we could see a rain-snow mix around Great Falls at that time as those showers come off of the Rocky Mountain front. Notice the activity into southeast Montana picks up. Places like Broadus, Baker could see some pretty heavy snow going into tomorrow morning. Winter storm warnings down in that portion of the state. We'll see the redevelopment of some snow showers in the western mountains once again. Probably a little more activity than what we saw today out in that portion of the state. But we will be dry going into Wednesday morning, a beautiful Wednesday ahead. We will be mostly sunny with temperatures in the 40s and 50s. But in terms of snow through that period, again, southeast Montana going to be the hot spot for snow. We could see over half a foot of snow to come in the Pryors and the Bighorns. So here's the forecast for tonight. Widespread 20s with rain and snow showers around in the western half of the state. And then in southeast Montana, still under the influence of the atmospheric river. Here's the forecast for tomorrow. A little bit cooler than we were today. We'll be in the 30s and 40s for our high. So here's the next 7 days for Helena. And I told you we'd round back out to the higher temperatures forecasted for next week. 66 on Monday here in Helena after a couple of smaller disturbances come through for the weekend. We'll be up close to 70 in Great Falls to begin next week.